Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to insert an Excel spreadsheet or a chart or a table inside your modern SharePoint Online communication site. First of all, you need to, of course, edit the page. And this is using a web part for a news item here. I'm just going to delete that web part now. And I'm also going to change the section properties. I'll do that up here and just make it a one column section for that, so I have some space for my spreadsheet there. And then I'm going to add the file viewer web part. And this file viewer lets you upload a file. I've already done that, the sales summary file here. So I'm going to select that. Or you can just, of course, upload it from your computer also. Just pick it there, so that's the same thing. I'm just going to add that file there. And now you get the Excel Online preview of the file here. And as you see, it's fully interactive. I can select stuff in it. And now you're basically done. You're showing Excel content inside your page, so you can just publish there. But of course, if you want to make it slightly nicer, then you might want to see just a part of this, maybe just a graph or just a table. To do that, you need to know the name of the object that you want to show. And then you go into Edit Web Part and just select what you want to show. So I'm just going to select the chart, and the chart name of that chart is Chart 1. And then just apply. And now it's showing just that graph. And the important thing to know is that you change the size of this graph in Excel Online or Excel Desktop, and that renders that appropriately inside this web part. Now you're done. I can just close that down and publish my file, publish my page, and there you see now it's published. Thank you for watching this demonstration.